Hello and welcome to the NoobTube YouTube channel for day 195. This was the 13th of March 2023, a Monday. So I started the day off. I did exercise. I worked on books. I worked on insurance. I worked on websites. I worked on Remote Wellness Academy. That's pretty much it. I had a lot of stuff going on. Very busy day. And my gratitude is for the people that I go to this chiropractor, go to the chiropractor in Celebration, Florida, Three Kings Chiropractic. Best chiropractor ever, right, is at this location at Three Kings Chiropractic. Dr. Roland Kyer is the doctor that I see, and he's fantastic. And it's like a whole nother level of chiropractic skill. So check him out. Grateful for him. Grateful for his office staff. Grateful for everybody who allows that. So I get very good care there, and I feel a lot better after getting a session. I go once a month. It's a drive for me to get there, but I go there once a month. So gratitude for everybody associated with that business and other businesses like it. And thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, let me know, and I will talk to you tomorrow.